Netflix hitting an all-time high. Blockbuster video earnings. By the way, Blockbuster could have bought the company, Netflix, for $50 million in the year 2000. File that under another mistake Blockbuster Video made. But what do you make about Netflix?
Every metric, they just exceeded cash flow in terms of subscriptions. They're going to raise prices, so they're doing everything right. The stock is reflecting that. It is the premier streaming play, and rightly so deserves where it has to be.
So you can still buy it, you can still own it here for the.
I would not buy it at these levels because I think it's fairly valued as one of those stocks like in the top 10. Mm-hmm. So I think on a pullback, which does happen on a Netflix, when the market pulls back, it's got a high beta. That's when you would add to it, but not at these levels.
Down day. Yeah. Let's go to Johnson & Johnson then, which is lower despite having fourth quarter sales and profits top Wall Street estimates. And that was thanks to strong sales for its cancer treatments. But again, the stock's down 2.5%.
I mean, this is where if Dr. Gottlieb was here, we would talk about the overhang on the whole pharma sector. Mm-hmm. This stock is now trading at 13.5 times earnings. Historically, traded between 16 and 17. It has a AAA balance sheet, 3.5% dividend yield. It's going to grow earnings 5 to 7%. It is just out of favor, just as most of the other stocks in there are. We own it, we like it, but it is, until you see a catalyst in the sector, I don't know what will happen, but as a value/biased investor, I like a company like this.
Okay. Finally, Travelers, after they posted a record-breaking fourth quarter, net income increase of 28% year over year. But I'm not sure people, they got strong views on insurers too these days, Sarat.
Yeah, I mean, look, earnings, again, very strong. What you have is a great tailwind that they're going to be raising prices for insurance. And whether it's for hurricanes or fires, et cetera, they're going to be making more money in the future. The question will come, will there be some type of regulatory pressure in terms of how high you raise your prices? But again, this company did very well. And earnings were spectacular.
I have a whole thing where I want to own, I think everyone should own the stuff that they hate paying for. Just you capture both sides. You have to pay your insurance bill. You have to pay whatever it is.
Buy gas.
Yeah, buy gas. Own all, I think all the pension funds just own all the fossil fuel companies.
Every streaming service. Like
just
Disney,
recycle your cash dollars.
Or utilities if you have an EV.
That's right.
Which are fine.
We hate to part with that money. Get on the other side. That's what I think. Sarat, thanks.